Hi Capricorn Moons. Thank you so much for being here. I am Divine Femme Care 144. Very happy, grateful, and blessed to bring you this reading. This reading is designed for those who have their moon sign in the zodiac sign of Capricorn. Unlimited to anyone who should find this message, or should this message find you. For your reading, I will be doing a 3-card spread, love, money, and you. And then I will clarify those 3 cards. At the end of your read, I will do an overall card using the Moonology Oracle card deck. I've already pre-shuffled all of the decks. I will shuffle the first deck here just a few more times and split the deck and begin your read. I hope that you all are doing well, feeling blessed, and staying blessed. I love you. And I know that I say this at the end of all my readings, but I do love you and I do thank you. And I'll say it again once we're done. I'm feeling the energy of, like I'm getting the star. Like I just got this flash of like just wanting to get naked and take off all my clothes. So some of you may be feeling that way. There may be some vulnerability that's coming through with that star card. This could be about a wish that's coming true and through for you. It is a card of 17 in the major arcana. So it is connected to the 8 energy where I'm automatically getting the infinity symbol. And just blessings being returned back, or what it is that you put out returning back to you. Adam and Eve is coming through as well. So with that, there's just a lot of nakedness. And I'm hearing getting back to nature vibes going on. There was another one that just came through. It's all coming through pretty quickly here. The naked energy wanting to come through pretty strongly. Okay. If it comes back, it'll come back. Let's go ahead and we'll get started for your first card. And no reversals are being done here. And we have the King of Swords. So for a lot of you, I do feel that this may be who you're in love with. And I say that because it's representative of the truth. Like I'm getting strong truth here. And notice all the garment. I feel that with this truth, there's a certain level of respect. There's self-respect here. I do feel that this King of Swords, because I'm getting you're on the same plane, I do feel that you have a lot of respect for this particular individual here. Just because they're the King of Swords, because they don't put up with a lot of bullshit. They're very clear and concise and to the point. You're all about your business and getting shit done. So I'm getting that it fares well in that department. As far as the love department, this being, and I think that's why I laughed a little bit, because we have the King of Swords in the love section here. And I just feel that underneath all this garment here, and maybe that having to do with that nakedness, is a soft teddy bear. Someone who I do feel you may bring down this person's boundaries. As hardcore as this person wants to be, it may be your loving energy and what it is that you bring to the table that melts the heart of this person. But then also, they may feel, also too, they may feel a certain degree. They have something to say too. They have a lot to say that they're not saying. They have some degree of being comfortable. They're able to be comfortable with you. And they're okay being naked with you. This is air energy, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. This is a very balanced person here too. I'm getting that red and the blue and the purple there. And seeing how that is a beautiful combination of colors as red and blue come together to create purple here. Saying that, the other thing that stands out is the gold crown. So I'm just getting great accomplishment. This being someone who's very intelligent, can be very loving, just has strict boundaries. When it's their speech, there's great speech, great communication that can be had here. But again, it's something about the boundaries. There's been great transformation here too, seeing the butterflies on the throne. They love attention. This is a part of Emperor energy as well, that being a card of 4 in the major arcana. As all 4 kings do make up the Emperor energy. And so I do feel that this particular person in your life is choosing to be the King of Swords at this present time. But being in the love department, I would say that they're very see-through when it comes to you. You're able to see through this person here. And that may be another reason why it is that there's a great energy of love here shared between you and this person, with them showing up as the King of Swords in the love section. I think that is so funny. But I do feel that it's stimulating, because as much as you're about your business, this person is too. And I think that's a part of the attraction that I'm picking up on here. Someone very stable. I am seeing them mounted. So this person also possibly feeling very good, but having something to say. And I feel that you may know this. It's coming together too, is what I'm seeing here on the throne. There's a destined energy here between you and this person. All right, for money, we have the 5 of Swords. Okay, so the first thing I was getting is that someone's just not happy with your shine. This is more air energy here. Someone's super salty, maybe hating a little bit. Could be throwing shade too. But you like a little shade. You like a little shade. Because I do feel that's a part of the challenge. It's also what helps to keep you going. It motivates you to be at your best. So you're okay with this. This is transformative energy here too as well. I do feel that you, for some of you, you've overcome and bossed up. I'm getting a bossed up energy, and that being a part of that challenge there. So I'm getting someone or some people here, because there's 2 people here, may have tried it. And this could be in the career section or anything related to your finances. May have tried it and you just completely owned it. Use your power to where the swords are dropping and you're able to take these swords back. And I say back because I do feel there may have been an attempt to hone in on your shine and maybe try to affect that. Maybe sabotage in a way to make it look like something, but you being the truth and representing truth, and that could be why there's that attraction here too with this King of Swords, because you walk that path of integrity. You being ruled by Saturn, you know all too well that, you know, what we put out there is what we get back. But when you put in the hard work, you see the reward. There's no shortcut. There's no cheating. There's no getting around anything in order to achieve great success. That can be actually appreciated and honored in the way that it's supposed to be. So total boss up energy here. You're on the right path. I'm also getting that too. 5 being also a midpoint energy that I'm picking up on. I'm also getting that V standing for Virgo, so that could be significant for you. All right, and that's pretty much all I'm getting there. With that Virgo energy, I do feel that may be connected to paying attention to the details. Also seeing the clouds too and the breakaway. It just being about some truth being delivered. And it could be also related to the truth of you and who it is that you are. Maybe being underestimated and just shining through with what it is that you do. That making it very clear. Moving the clouds away from any kind of confusion. Seeing the yellow, this could be Gemini energy that you've been dealing with. And then even the green and the red, I'm getting Taurus and Scorpio, possibly Aries. Brown, there's Virgo here too. So with that V, you could have been dealing with Virgo energy as well. And it doesn't have to be specific people. It could be the energy of different people in your life in different areas. For you, let's see what we have for your last card. We have the Ten of Swords. All right, so here's an ending here. Some of you may be getting some kind of therapy or massage is what I'm getting with that. But then with this Ten of Swords, I do feel that this is kind of speaking to a new beginning here for you. With that sabotage energy in the finance area here. And you just being completely over it, moving on and moving forward. So it's pretty painful energy here. And this is more air energy. You have all swords here. Acupuncture was coming through, but I am getting that this is the end of pain and suffering for you. You just being who it is that you are. You've experienced a lot. That with this has come the opportunity for there to be a level up. So with this 10, I am getting there being a breakdown going into a one of a new beginning for you. And it being based on that sword of truth, I do feel that that sword of truth is also being held here by that King of Swords, and that's speaking to that new beginning that is there for you. And just getting over being around individuals who are more on a hurtful state because they're still hurting. So I do feel this is also speaking to the ascension from within you. We have a 5 energy and then a 10 energy. And even though these are separate areas, that 1 and that 5 comes together to create a 15, that being connected to the devil energy. So I do feel that there's movement away from some kind of toxicity. But for sure, a definite ending that's here. And a new beginning where I do feel with the sword energy and the amount that's here, it all being sword cards, that there is an upside to this with that King of Swords being in your love area there. Let's clarify the King of Swords. take these. So we got the Temperance card. Right away I'm getting Twin Flame. But this being the energy of this person here and that vulnerability, being patient. Also being a great magician or being able to alchemize and have the strong ability to bring in what it is that they wish to see for themselves. Someone who does have clarity, they're very enlightened. This is a card of Sagittarius, being a card of 14, that comes together to create a 5. So that just speaking to the upside of that 5 energy that's here. Even the 5 being a multiple of this 10 here. With the sun being present here, I'm getting there being a rebirth energy possibly for this person here too. Being very strong in who it is that they are. But that soft teddy bear energy, I'm seeing the wings and that just giving me the angel presence. Where I do feel there's a great delicacy to this person here. Having great patience, but this also being about divine timing. Page of Swords, and then we have the Sun. So I do feel that this is about illumination. I'm seeing couple energy here, but there being illumination about this person. Maybe it's having to do with that see-through energy. This is a card of 19. This is another energy of 1 here. We have the Knave of Swords. This is the Page of Swords. I'm just getting a spy energy, so this person possibly spying on you. You being able to see through that too. You may know this already. And it doesn't have to be, it could be, you know, I feel you know what it pertains to, and how it is that this person is, by how you're able to pick up on their energy here. With the Sun energy and the Sun card being present, I do feel that there's great happiness here. Stability and balance as well. But strong rebirth energy, there's renewal energy. This could be about, with us being in the love section, the start of something new between you and this person here. Whether you're together or not. If you're together, it's a revamp. If you're not together, there's a coming together here. And it could be possibly a reunion, but twin flame energy coming through strong there, coming together here. So fire energy being important here, where you may have strong fire in your chart as well as this person here. And being part of the faded energy there too, with the Sun being here in the twin flame card. And then we have the Sun card here, which is known to be the happiest card in the deck. The Sun is the ruler of Leo too. So that could be significant. Leo energy is connected to the 5 energy as well. And we do have that 5 here with the Temperance card. Let's clarify the 5 of Swords. The Strength card. So yeah, this just being about a power struggle here is what I'm getting. And you bossing up, closing the mouth of that beast there, taming the beast completely, and that being connected to your mastery and being able to be that great magician, but master all the elements here and increase on your power to show who it is that you are. That you're not one to be underestimated, that you're very strong, you're very capable, and highly successful at what it is that you do. With the mastery energy, there's also the energy of this being a card of 11 in this particular deck. And so I'm getting that master number 11 being very, very special for you and significant. 11th house energy of Aquarius is also connected to that. So strong Aquarius energy. You may have as well Leo and Aquarius or polarity energies. So there being some, I'm getting destined energy connected to the ancestors as well. This being connected to your powers here and the gifts that you've been given to be able to overcome and accomplish. But the importance of the integrity being here too. I do feel it's about you rising up and being on a certain level of integrity. With the lion here being in the past, I do feel in that past energy, I should say, transformative energy here too in the West energy. That's just speaking to you closing particular cycles and moving on and moving forward. As I'm getting this 10 energy and then the 11 energy here. But you definitely overcoming some kind of power struggles, taming the beast, being in your great mastery and your power, increasing your strength and letting it be known who it is that you are, what it is that you represent, and just how awesome it is that you are. Card of Leo here. So on top, we have 2 fire cards, very strong fire energy that's here. Let's clarify the 10 of Swords. I do feel, too, that love is really important for you here right now. Look at that. Wow. And on the bottom here, we have the King of Pentacles. This being your energy here with this Pentacle card. But I do feel that this is also kind of speaking to this King of Swords here and the light in your life. As I was just saying that, the love being kind of very significant for you right now. Possibly more of the area that you've been focusing on. You have the 10 of Swords here. To clarify, the 10 of Swords fell right on top of that too. So I do feel that this is about getting over some major heartache and heartbreak. A lot of pain and suffering. Something that you've been through very significantly. And it's helped a great transformative energy. I'm also getting to, this could be with the strength of the King being here. Both of you overcoming. You being here and then it being clarified from within you. With masculine and feminine energy coming through there. But it also speaking to what it is that you have overcome and how things are coming to an ending here. Getting over that 5 of Swords energy. Possibly a 2 of Swords where there's been indecision connected to you. 3 of Swords here. Backstabbing, betrayal energy with third party energy possibly. It all being cyclic energy here to help you to overcome and to grow stronger and to be even more successful. And that being a part of, like I'm getting that being a part of something that has to do with the greater and your representation and setting great example for others. Being a great leader and leading the way and showing how one can overcome this type of energy here and move through this to come into some great new beginning. And I do feel that with that King of Pentacles presence, that also speaking to your richness and what it is that you have from within you that you're bringing out into the physical here for yourself. So being greatly wealthy here is also what I'm getting, but being connected to someone else who is. Because I am getting with this King of Swords being present already, this King of Pentacles being connected as that King of Swords there too. And what they also may represent as a higher self energy is what I'm picking up on here too. The Sun connection being here and then also being here. But that Pentacle being a part of that Sun energy there. So that's being connected to that clarity and the illumination the rebirth and the renewal energy, and then the twin flame energy that's here with the sun that's present there. And the light and the joy that you may bring to this person here, seeing the hands being held up to the sun. And what it is that they may not be saying is that you make them really, really happy. It could be, too, with that King of Swords that they just don't know how to express. And that could be a part of the Ten of Swords here, too, and what you both may have experienced. But overcoming this and moving into a new beginning is what I'm getting there. Let's see what's on the bottom here. Now we have the Five of Cups in reverse here. And I'm going to take that because I do feel that this is speaking to the painful endings and what you're both overcoming. With the 5 and the 5 coming together to create this 10 where it just has been really painful for you both. But there being some kind of excitement. I'm getting excitement here in the love section here. And possibly being connected to that Sun card being present there too. But no longer dwelling on what may have been missed. Turning around and finding those 2 cups is what I'm getting with this being in reverse here. Overcoming the 5s. Those 5s creating those 10s to move into those endings and new beginnings. So I'm just seeing this as a process of moving through a particular part of your journey. Major focus now being in the love section where I do feel there's been some accomplishment here in the finance here. Overcoming this and finding balance in all areas of your life here. So this is being about doing some great work. There being some ending, you having and finding new beginning. And I feel that the new beginning is connected here to that King of Swords with it being in your love section there. And it just being that more positive energy that's coming through with the Sun card connected to that. And then also the Sun being present and the Temperance card there. And divine timing connected to that as well. All right, let's get your final card. I'm going to move these over here. Cups energy is water. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and a Fucus. So I'm just getting with these 2 tens of swords that you and your person here have both been hurting without there being great expression about feelings here. Even if you are together. But working through this to come out of this into more happiness. Where I'm getting to, oh, look at there's the Fool card. Where I'm getting to, that you may have caused some hurt for this person. And just being it's a reciprocal energy. The Lover's card, that's what wanted to come through. That is what wanted to come through with the nakedness. I was seeing, when I said Adam and Eve is also a part of the Lover's card energy. And so, with that being said, I do feel it's, and that wanting to come through at the beginning of the reading, speaking to the energy of you both, where it could even be applicable here too as well, being connected to the overall energy of abundance, where you have, being connected to this energy here, it's tying into other parts of your life and kind of reflecting, mirroring energy of what you're experiencing with this person and how it is that you're taking care of situations in very similar fashion connected to this person. I hope this makes sense. But what you have experienced or may be experiencing with this person is manifesting itself in a physical way in other situations in your life. But it's still being applicable to how it is that you're treating and taking care of the situation when it comes to this person. I hope that makes sense. And you both kind of doing this in your lives here. And I feel that in taking care of other areas of your life here and bringing things to a close, that you're both finding one another here, and that being a part of that Temperance card there with the twin flame energy. And if twin flames don't resonate for you, strong soulmate energy is present here. I do feel too, what I'm getting with this Five of Swords here, that the deflective energy of what was sent towards you, it's deflecting the negative energy. And so that's going back to its owner here, and that being a part of that strength card energy there too, where these energies, someone's not feeling well. But you overcoming, you and this person here, overcoming. All right. And I'm getting too that this person is super happy. As much as they want to come off as this King of Swords, they're very happy that there's a reconnect here. And that speaking to that ending here with this Ten of Swords and this all coming to a close here for you. Being clarified by the freaking Ten of Swords here. I think that's a big wow. These tens are also your energy here. I should mention that too as well. Just kind of speaking to your Capricorn moon energy. Because I was seeing the moons here with that transformative energy there and the butterfly at the throne there. And how this person may also, this person, I do feel with a strong connect, they could even be Capricorn moon energy too. But yeah, the 10th house energy is your energy there of Capricorn. And that speaking to also with the 10th house, that being career energy as well. So what I was trying to speak on just a few minutes ago, and that whole connect being tied in with the connection here in the love section, I do hope, again, that that made sense. But that also tying in there too with those tens there being present with the 10 of swords. All right, let's get to your final card for Capricorn moon, your moon card. Capricorn moon. Yeah, right at the beginning of this reading, I almost got like this really yucky feeling. Like I almost was getting ready to stop the reading and just be like, no, I'll come back to it. But I kept going, and it was right around this area here. So there's definitely someone that's not feeling good, because I don't feel that way no more. Okay, let's see what we have. Pretty purple. And there's that purple. I'm getting that being connected right there to that cape of accomplishment. Your commitment is being tested. First quarter moon. So what did I just say? And I feel that that's speaking to this fated union here between you and someone else here. And that being the reason that that love energy is coming through so strongly. But also then the connect to other areas in your life. And what I just said about not feeling so great. Okay, so your video cut. I'm not going to keep this too much longer. And very interesting too with all the damn swords here. Your video was cut. Get it? Cut. But the main message, the main thing I was trying to get through is that you're continuing to power through, overcoming obstacles, any kind of adversity. You and your person here is what I'm getting with that strong soulmate connection here. And you both having different areas of your life. I'm just getting this both being representative of you two here. And even this energy here, where I feel that this is more of this King of Swords here. But it kind of speaking to this Ten of Swords here too as well. But you both powering through and overcoming some very painful stuff, even connected and tied in together here with one another, but also other areas of your life. And being one another's higher self energy here. And I do feel it's about all that intuition energy. This is also very intuitive energy here too as well. So I do feel that this is high plane soulmate connection energy, speaking to what it is that you're overcoming in order to come closer together. And so this whole underlying energy of your commitment being tested, being a very beautiful thing here. I love the energy, the colors, and that purple, showing the truth of this King of Sword here too. And that connection with that King of Sword, how he or she can be very blunt or cold, but they're a soft teddy bear on the inside here. And I feel that softness right here in these clouds here surrounding that beautiful first quarter moon. So I'm going to grab the reading. I do feel that you're both fighting through and winning very successfully when it comes to all obstacles. You're both busting through, empowering through, and finding one another. And reconnecting, whether you are physically together or not. Your commitment is being tested. First quarter moon. There could be some challenges coming your way, but they're just the universe's way of testing you. The first quarter moon calls for you to face any hurdles with confidence. What do you actually think is possible? If you believe you can do it, then you probably can. If you spend your life affirming that something is too big for you to surmount, it probably is. See how it works? Do you believe your dreams will come true, or have you secretly already given up? Showing some commitment now will help you move towards your desired outcome. What you believe to be true is true for you, so believe in yourself. Attune to the moon by affirming, I am committed to my dreams, and move towards them with confidence. Additional meanings for this card. The answer to your question is yes, but not yet. You're halfway to your goal. You still need to put in a bit more effort. Sometimes we just need to realize how much we want something. In the teaching, in the lunar cycle, the first quarter moon comes between the new moon and the full moon. It's a time when the sun and the moon are at a hard astrological angle to each other, and this can prompt a small crisis. No matter when you pull this card, you need to see any dramas as a stepping stone to where you want to be. It can also be a time when you need to stay strong through a storm. All right. And we have that strong sun energy that's present here in your moon reading. So definitely feeling that hard astrological angle that was just mentioned there. And that could be something very significant in your birth chart there too as well. It's all designed to help you to know just how truly special it is that you are, but that you are also working together from within yourself as masculine and feminine, but bringing this energy out into a manifestation of beautiful physicality and strong love here between you and someone else. So that's beautiful. I love this. I do feel it's a coming together of the two separate readings that I did for you not too long ago, and there being a strong marriage, a spiritual marriage energy. And that's not applicable for all of you, but I did just pick that up. So I do feel that this is about a very strong soulmate connection that is bringing itself together, and doing so in a way that may seem chaotic and sloppy and messy, but it all having a very beautiful fairy tale ending. And not even an ending. I do feel, with the ending energy, that being present here, it just speaking to the beautiful new beginnings that you do have coming through here. Connected to that high wealth there as well. So Capricorn moons, this was your reading. I hope that these messages were helpful for you, also enjoyable, enlightening, and enriching. I thank you all so much for your continued love and support. Everything is going to be just fine. I do feel, again, that love energy. There's a great love that's present here, that's coming here for you, if it's not already. Just continue to power through. Know that you're on the right path. Everything that you're doing, do it for you. And as long as you're doing your best, that's all that you can do. Continue to do that. So I thank you again for all of your love and support. Welcome to all new subscribers. And until we meet again, I wish you all the very best. Take great care. I love you. Peace.